La da 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 da. Roger? Roger?
Hey, Sam!
Ah!
What are you doing?
Roger, you didn't tell me anything! I thought we were friends!
What do you mean?
You didn't tell me that a real man has to plant a tree. Well, I've dealt with that. Produce a son. But so far, I'm too young for it. And build a house. Am I feta? Now it's all over again.
Sam, there are way more durable materials for a real man's house.
Sue will never let me use concrete here. It's hard to wash it out.
There's no need for that. Let's go. It's easier to show than to tell. Hi guys, today we're gonna help Sammy take a step towards becoming a real man.
It's not funny, Roger. It's very serious.
Okay, Sam, I understand. There we go.
Woohoo! And here's a bowl.
Whoa! Ew.
And a mortar.
And a trowel to smooth the mixture. But we're missing the most important element.
I know! It's water!
Thanks, Sammy, you're absolutely right. This mixture will make our bricks stick tightly to each other. Let's make it smooth to be able to work comfortably. Like this.
Ooh, Raj, can you please hurry up? I can't wait to start!
Sam, you're always in a hurry. Just relax. The process of laying the bricks is like meditation.
Then here's the main mean for your relaxation today.
Thanks, buddy. I knew you wouldn't let me be out of bricks, Sam. Here we go. Let's get started. I do enjoy monotonous repeated work, like laying the bricks or cross-stitching. It calms me down very well. You're just sitting and doing your work without any thoughts. It's tedious work, and you'd better be concentrated on what your hands are doing.
Raj, did I hear that right? You said you like cross-stitching!
So what?
Isn't that for grandmas?
Nothing of the sort. There's a special word for men who like stitching, and it's man broaders. You can Google it if you want. Everybody can have a hobby, no matter what it is and who you are. Guys, if you agree, give us a thumbs up.
Okay, you persuaded me!
In the meantime, we came to an interesting part.
We will install the windows!
Yeah! I think it would be kinda hard living in a windowless house.
That's true for me! How would I enjoy sunsets?
Oh, Sammy, you're such a romantic soul.
I just like nature, Roger. Well, maybe I can help you somehow?
Oh, it would be great if you brought some more bricks. We need a lot of them today.
Something tells me it's gonna be a great house, guys!
Oh, Sammy's excited. I didn't know he's so much into construction. Actually, no wonder. It feels so good to see how a proper house is growing out of nowhere.
Delivery! Oopsie, who ordered a fresh pile of bricks?
I guess it's me, Mr. Slime. Thanks.
I dropped a few though. Whoa! Did you install all the windows? Wow! So cool! It's time to clean our walls, am I right?
Right you are. But how did you know?
If you want to know, Sue and I have built a lot of things from mini bricks.
No way.
Mini ovens, a windmill, and a lighthouse.
That's really impressive.
Guys, did you see those videos? I strongly recommend that you find them on our channel.
Finally, our house looks clean. Voila!
Roger, you're a magician and my hero.
Ugh, I'm a bit tired, guys. Let's turn to magic.
This is awesome, Raj! Guys, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned!
La la la. And the ground floor is ready.
Raj, I found a perfect door!
Wow, just look at it. Let's install it.
Yay! And here's the glue gun! We just have to load it, just like this! Come on, come on! Done! That's how you do it!
Sam, we won't need it this time.
What are you gonna do?
Move, Sammy.
Hey!
We'll use super glue. Now let's add this piece. There you go. And here comes the last one. And as you can see, now the door opens and closes perfectly.
Raj, I was thinking, is it possible to make lights?
Of course. It's good you're saying it now, because I've just started to work on the second floor.
Yay! It's gonna be so cozy to read there at night!
At night, you should sleep in your bed.
You're talking like Sue!
Well, as they say, great minds think alike.
I can't fly yet, Raj, so we need to install a staircase!
Oh, really? I thought you can do everything. I know I can do some magic.
Oh, you want a battle? Well, you'll get it! Nobody can beat a great slime magician! Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity! Ha-ha!
Bravo! It's an old and simple trick, but you forgot about details. You asked for the lights, but made a holeless layer. Where will you put the wires? It's good I can fix it. As an experienced electrician, I can say it came out great.
We're tied for now, Roger! And I'm gonna put this plank as a peace offering.
Originally rivals, two great magicians united for a good cause.
We're going to do great things, Raj!
Wait a minute. First I did a trick, then you put a spell, and then it was me again. Doesn't sound like a tie.
Sorry, Roger. We don't have time to argue. And you already agreed.
Oh, you slick little slime. At least you guys can become our jury. If you think that I won, give me a thumbs up. And if you think that friendship won that quest, then subscribe.
Sounds fair.
Sammy, come here. I want to show something.
I hope it's something very nice.
Oh, I bet you'll like it. Just check out this.
You figure it out really great, Raj.
Oh, wait till you see how the roof is assembling itself. Whoosh!
Roger, now I'm having doubts about who is the greatest magician.
Oh, Sammy, come on. Don't speak nonsense. Moreover, we've decided everything. We're tired, remember?
Okay, sounds reasonable, but don't tell Sue.
Okay. As you can see, guys, this task needs some time and patience.
Do you mind speeding up the process a little bit?
What a great idea. I like how it turned out. We're at the finish line, guys.
Really? I think something's missing. Close your eyes, Roger, if you trust me.
Okay. Wow, Sammy, it looks so much better. Like in real big houses.
What's next?
My favorite part. We need to paint the windows and attach siding.
Yay! I call working on 2 walls.
Well, considering the house has only 4 walls, I think it's pretty fair.
I bet I'll finish first. So, Raj, do you have energy for another competition?
Sure, Sam.
And what are you gonna do?
This.
Whoa, that is Exactly! But Raj, what are we gonna do about the roof?
Here we'll use the shingles to cover the whole surface.
Awesome! But I also have a surprise for you!
And what is it?
I knew that you're not gonna notice it! Be more attentive!
You've made an electric circuit. Pretty impressive. Let's install it.
You thought I can't handle it?
I was sure you can. Let's test the systems.
Guys, don't you think that the space in front of our house is a little empty?
I'm on it, Sammy.
I approve! And the rest will be covered with sand.
Back and forth. Back and forth.
This light creates such a cozy atmosphere.
I hope you don't resent me anymore, Sam.
Of course not. Just look at this house. Building a house is great as it is.
Oh yeah. If you like this craft as much as we do, give us a thumbs up.
And don't